Are you experiencing loading issues or delays during your FaceTime calls? This can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an important conversation. This issue are often caused by network problems, outdated software, or background processes. Don't worry, this guide will provide 100% effective solution to fix the loading problem on FaceTime calls and get your video calls working smoothly again. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection is often the main cause of loading issues during FaceTime calls. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone screen to access the control center. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Ensure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Open a browser and visit a website like fast.com to test your connection speed. If your internet is unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 2. Restart FaceTime. Restarting FaceTime can help resolve temporary issues with the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view the app switcher. Swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it. After that, open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, tap FaceTime, turn off FaceTime. After that, turn it on again. After that, reopen FaceTime and try calling again. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background app refresh, tap Background app refresh. From here, select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Solution 4. Update iOS. Outdated software can sometimes cause glitches during FaceTime calls. Here's how to check for updates. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. Solution 5. Reset network settings. If none of the previous steps work, resetting your network settings can resolve deeper connection issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. After resetting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or cellular data and test FaceTime again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve loading issues on your FaceTime calls and enjoy smoother video chats. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.